Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create multiple copies of the purchase order and it will be also linked with the main order. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here a module Dev Purchase Revision. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase app, create new order, select vendor and add product like a large cabinet. Let's save. Now confirm this order and see here this button create revision. Now click on and now see here your purchase order is created or revision. Back this order and also linked with main order. And above display this button, click on and display here revision order. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.